Hey, let me show you 10 the best features of the Redmi 13C. So first we are going to start from the settings, and on the phone you can actually check which application drains your battery the most. So when you open the settings and scroll down into the battery and simply open it, now just wait for this data, and when you scroll down you can actually see which application or which feature on the phone actually function is draining your battery the most. And the second very useful option right here, it will be to checking the battery remaining time. So you can for sure take a look at it's 28% of the battery, but when you take a look right here, you can see that the remaining time on the 28% of the battery, it's around 7 hours and 22 minutes. So that's actually a lot, but that's probably because I just reset my phone and there is like only all default and system applications. Next, we can also be able to check which application sends premium messages. So to do this, we have to go into the search pool and type premium. There we go, premium messages access, and click on it. And as you can see, in my case, there's like no application because, as I said before, there's like new setup phone. But if you have this issue that you are missing some money from your account, that's maybe the reason, because there is some application that have access to the premium messages. And now we can go for another tip. It will be about the opening the web apps faster. So if you are using any apps online with your browser, you can actually speed it up. So type web apps. There we go, select this option and turn on this switcher to open apps faster without installing them. So just clicking on this switcher. On this phone you can also show the internet speed, the connection speed, right here on the notification bar. So when you are on the search bar, just type show connection speed, and just right here by tapping on the switcher you can enable the speed of your mobile data or the Wi-Fi network. On the phone we can also find a lot of default ringtones, but if you want to get some custom ringtones or download the new ringtones, you can also do this by first going into the settings. Then you have to open the sound and vibration, and here click on the ringtone. Now you are here in this store where you can actually get the free ringtones. So when you are in the ringtones, you have to click on the search and type free. And here you can find list of the all free ringtones that you can actually add into your Redmi 13C. That's actually a lot of sounds. So let's say that, for example, I want to get this one, so I can click on it, click OK. Right now it is downloading, and then I can just go back and I will have it on my phone. So I can go into the pre-install, and that's the ringtone that we download. Next, to move forward, we can also quickly launch the camera when the screen is turned off by double tapping the volume down button. And to get this feature, we have to also go into the settings, tap on the search pool, and we have to type launch camera. So you will get this option into the additional settings. It will be in the gestures. So when you double press the power button, you can launch the camera, but also double press the volume down when the screen is locked. So when I turn it on and lock the screen, just like this, and then double tap, as you can see, the camera will be quickly open. And then to move forward, we can also stop the background apps from using the mobile data. So to find this feature, just click on the search pool one more time, click right here and type a background. Okay, that's actually the background auto start, but if we want to restrict the mobile data, we just have to go into the connection and the sharing. Then we have to go into the data usage, and here when we click on this in this switcher, we get the mobile data usage. So here, for example, we can block this recorder to get the access to the background mobile data. We can also cast our screen to the TV. So to do this, we have to also go into the connection and the sharing, then go to the cast. And now we have to be connected on your phone on the Redmi 13C to the same Wi-Fi network like your TV. Then click on the switcher, tap agree, accept the permissions, and right now it is looking for the nearby devices. So if you turn on your TV and if you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, you will be actually able to simply download, to select your TV from the list and cast your screen. And the last option, it will be to get the new theme. So as you can see, that's how it looks right now with my custom wallpaper. But if you want to completely change the look of your phone, you can go into the themes, then click on the three dots, on the search pool, type 3, click on the switcher, and here you can just simply pick any theme that you want. So let's say that I want to get, for example, this one. So that's how it looks. That's the preview of this theme, and to download, click right here. And now we can also customize. So for example, you can set this changes to the lock screen, home screen, icons, but the status bar and the system is not actually available. So click apply if you want, and now your theme will be changed. And right now, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.